Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of how to append data to file. How to append data to existing file. So our existing file is sample.txt. Here is the some text learn node fs module. This is the already content in this file. Now we will some data append this file. So fs module has function append file. First parameter is file name. Our file name is sample.txt, and second parameter is data, and third parameter is the utf8 encoding option. This is the optional utf8, and last parameter is callback function. If error, then throw the error, throw error. If no error, then console.log data is appended to file successfully. So now we can run our project node index.js. So here is the showing data is appending to the file. So now we will check the sample file. Here is the sample.txt. Here is the showing the line, the learn node.js with the help with build node.js tutorial. This line append to this file. So here is our data. Here is our data. First is set the new line, and then that is the text. This data append to the sample.txt file by using fs module append file function. Thank you.